Hello all. I'm at Carbon Racing Factory in Tumkur. So I'm here to get Adventure saddle boxes fitted on my bike. So I've already have Adventure saddle stay. So I'm getting Adventure saddle boxes fitted here. So we'll come to the boxes in a while from now while we are getting this spools fitted on here. So I'm going to give you a quick walk around tour of the factory, so to speak. So this factory is located in Tumkur industrial area, and what you see in front of me is the actual CNC machine on which any of those aluminium parts are prepared and furnished and manufactured. So yes, right there you can see, right? That's the CNC process. Sir, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? Interceptor handlebar riser. 2 inches, okay. So interceptor handlebar risers are being made there. So I'm not sure if it's very clear, but yeah, see how the machine is manufacturing the risers there. So yeah, it's all in-house here. Amazing, interesting. If somebody is really interested in how things are manufactured in terms of automobiles, machinery, etc. So it's been a good visit for me so far here. So this is where the items are being manufactured, and the shutter adjacent to this is the assembly line, which is where everything is being assembled. So let me give you a quick peek into that. I hope they don't mind me recording. So yeah, so this is the assembly line where everything is being assembled. And these are the windshields, the boxes, the side garnish, so to speak. Boxes. I think this is for Versys Kawasaki Green. All the boxes items are being assembled here. I see about close to 10 to 15 employees here working to assemble all these items here. So yeah, a lot of these items are packed and ready for shipment, etc. So yeah, you see all those materials, boxes, covers, top box, etc. So yeah, that's a quick peek into the assembly line here. Okay, so yes, which box I have gone in for. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box, what is getting installed and fitted on my bike. Okay, so still the spools are being fitted. So once the spool is fitted, then the box is going to be latched onto this, and I think this particular piece is going to come somewhere here where the box will lock in. So